Here's the story of a house crowded like a subway in the morning jam. Father, mother, maybe a mouse, children and a silly uncle, that's who I am. And among them there's this queen, a dog always messing around. She eats, she sleeps, she never cleans, and fools around the house where she's not allowed. And they go, Lola, get into the doghouse. They tell her, but she doesn't care. You furry stuffing all of our house. We sweep, we scrub, we vacuum, but the hair's still there. Lola seems to pay attention. I could swear this doggy actually understands. But no, again, after 2 seconds, she jumps from the doghouse and on me she lands. And so we go picking daisies. Only instead of daisies, we pick up fur. I believe this dog, she's crazy and tries to drive us crazy and be like her. And we go, Lola, get into the doghouse. They tell her, but she doesn't care. You furry stuffing out of our house. We sweep, scrub and vacuum, but the hair's still there. Lola, don't go to the doghouse. I give up, you can stay here. I could not win this in a doghouse. I guess tonight that doghouse is for me.